So, hi everyone. Now I'm answering this question. Would you allow electrodes to be implanted in your brain in order to enhance the user experience and control everyday objects with thought? Why or why not? So, my answer would probably be no after watching the video of the Neuralink, and here's why. So, to begin with, I do not wish to have something implanted in my brain because the brain is highly sensitive and any wrong step during surgery can lead to serious consequences. So in my case, the risk is not justified in the name of convenience, such as having control over objects or using devices in a better way. So second, I am concerned about security. So this is relatively new technology, and we are yet to understand the long-term consequences. So we are not informed of what may take place in a few years after the chip implantation is put in our brain. It may either cease to work or induce side effects or required to follow up surgery. I am not comfortable with taking such risk. So third, I also have concerns with privacy. So I would have my thoughts caught or accessed somehow, provided provided that a chip can read the signals in my brain. So there is still a chance that the technology can be hacked or be misused, even though the company claims it is safe. So my mind is personal and I do not desire anything that might get into my mind. So finally, I do not believe that I need it. So my daily chores are in no way normal, but I am already able to perform those without the help of a brain implant. So instead of implanting something in my brain, I would prefer to use the normal devices such as phones or remotes. So overall, I believe the concept is intriguing and I can see the positive side in it on behalf of those who require it. However, in my own case, I would not give my brain electrodes. So that is why my final answer is no, as there is a risk, safety concern, and privacy issues, and because I don't need it. So that's all. Thank you for watching.